Yes, in yesterday's class we learned how to make the poem. Have you all completed the poem, children? I have given you the example for dance and dancing, and also I had written the poem also. And using that, I told you to make the poem in workbook S1 and S2. Today, now let us be very simple, quiet and cool today. Let us play a game with our letter cards. What are the letter cards you have to keep with you? These are the letter cards: A, C, E, T, I, P, O, H, U, N. Now can you distinguish why some letters are in red color and why some letters are in black color? Yes, you are right. Some letters, the letters which are in red color, they are the vowels, and the remaining letters are the consonants. So now what you are going to do? We are going to make the CVC word. CVC means consonant, vowel and consonant words. CVC means consonant, vowel and consonant. They are called as CVC words. Now if you were in the classroom, I would have given you the word card, letter cards to you, and everyone should make a point that when you are making the word, that red letter should come in the middle of the word. Here I have written some words for you. CAP, cap. This is the vowel, 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 vowel. Now let us see how you are pronouncing it. You might be getting so many words. Like if I see TAP, tap, isn't it? Next, middle should be red letter. That you should keep in your mind. HEN, hen. So like that, if you go on writing, you will get more and more words. But now let us restrict our class to only few words. Today, here I have written in one column as CVC words, and in another column I have written as E word. So today we are going to learn when we are adding letter E to this word, how the pronunciation and how the meaning changes we will learn today. So if we see here CAP, what is it? It is a cap. HOP, hop. PIN, pin. CUT, cut. TAP, tap. HEN, hen. So now here you are not finding any E sound. We are finding A, O, I, U, A, E. Here it is hen. Let us assume that here to these words we are not having any E sound. So here instead of this one I will write hate. Let us not, because we are learning about E sound now. So here I'll write down HAT, hat I will write down. Then it will be fine. This is also the vowel. Now let us see when to this word, if I add E, how the pronunciation and how the spelling will change. Let me write CAPE. How it is changing? Cape. Here we are saying it as cap, whereas as soon as I add E to it, the pronunciation is changing to cape. Next, HOP, hop. What we are adding? E. Hop. Here it is changing to hope. Pin. If I am adding E, it is changing to pine. Cut. If I am adding E, it is changing to cute. Again, tap. When I am adding E, it is changing to tape. Hat. If I am adding E, it is changing to hate. So here children, what you have to remember here is, in these two set of words, In this we are having the ending letter as E. In some words here we don't have any words with letter E. Here we are having. But what is the sound you will get with E? E sound you will get with E. Now let us see in all this word whether that sound is coming or not. We will see now. Let us go with the first one. Cape. Hope. Are you finding any E sound there? Pine. Cute. Tape. Hate. E sound is there or not? Can you find the E sound? Yes, here though we are adding the letter E, but specifically we are not getting that E sound particularly. Separately we are not getting the E sound. Now let us see the example of cape. Cap, cap, cap. So here there is no sound of this E. Cap, cape. Pa sound only we are getting. We are not getting any E sound. So in these cases it is called as silent E. The letter E will be there but we won't be getting any sound. Let us see the other example. H-O-P-E. Hope. Here also we are not finding any E. And P-I-N-E. Pine. Here no. Pine. Cute. Tape. Are we finding? We are not finding separate E sound, but it is a mixture of A and E sound together. So it is becoming like a team and we are getting the sound. So where the letter is there but there is no sound. For example, N-O, no. We pronounce it as no. K-N-O-W is also no. But here we are, K is there, W is also there. This is we are pronouncing as no. This also we are pronouncing as no. Pronunciation is same, but the spelling and meaning is different. So in such cases, these letters are called as silent letters. We are not getting any sound of that. They are called as silent letters. Understood all of you what silent letters are? When you are coming to the higher classes, you will come across with many silent letter words. So you need not worry about that. Now you have to open your workbook to page number 48. Here they have given us the words which is having E letter is there but it is silent. That letter you have to find out. What you have to do here? Write down the date. Silent E in words. Cap, cape. E sound is not there. Cute. How you are doing now? To this list when we are adding E letter, that words you have to match. Pin, pine. Cape, cape. Cap, cape. Like that you have to match. Next one is sort the words into two groups. Here they have given us group 1, group 2. How you will divide the words? I will tell you now. Hug, time, fat, cane, fate, cafe, can, time, tim, pin. I letter words which are pronouncing, which words are rhyming together, that set of words you keep in one group. Other set of words which are rhyming words you keep in another group. Understand all of you? Very simple. One same pronunciation, rhyming words in one group, another set of rhyming words in another group. First one you can take for fat. You can take for fat. What are the rhyming words? You can write down here. Or you can take time. With time you can take and write down. To that list, after finding the words from here, if you should add more words to that list. Okay ma? Next is we have done the poem. You have written the poem and I told you about the dancer, I told you, and about the cricket, sport, your favorite hobby, anything you can write down. In addition to that, now if you were in the class, we would have gone through all the set. This is actually the group activity. One group child will write one poem. So on the basis of that, here the list will come out. If the driver is there, what the driver will do? Driving. What the helper will do? Helping. What the painter will do? Painting. On how I have given for the dancer dancing, in the same manner for this also you should write down the words and all the web you should fill up. And in the same manner how I have written the poem, in the same manner you should write down the poem. So here list is there. Now since we are all alone in our homes, what you will do? You have to yourself guess the words and write down here. How you will write? Sport or hobby. Title of the poem, sport means which one? Cricket if you have taken. Author means who has written, you have to write your name. Here all authors are you only, because if your friends are there, you will write your friend's name here. Since your friends are not available, you have to write all by yourself only. So what is the sport or hobby? Which sport you have taken? Cricket or volleyball or hockey or that. What are the naming words in this sport? Write down. What are the doing words? Write down. Here, one sport, one hobby, one sport, one hobby you should take. Here another word, authors, all your names only you should write down. Here you should take one indoor game, outdoor game and painting, drawing, dancing, one you take like that. Then it will be okay. Naming words, doing words you should find out and write down. Understood children, all of you? It's very easy. Complete it. Don't keep any work pending. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.